What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out clothing from a company called COFANDY. COFANDY. That is quite the name. I'll link all their information in the description down below. You could shop them on Amazon. COFANDY creates trendy, fun, formal, casual clothing. They also have a selection of workout attire as well. I've never heard of them before up until recently, so I'm excited to see what we have here. Today we're going to unbox these items together, and I'm also going to do a little try-on sesh. So if you're interested in my COFANDY first impression, try-on haul, honest review, then keep on watching. You can find the coolest stuff on Amazon, including fashion. I'm not one of those guys that really shops Amazon much when it comes to clothing. I like to try stuff on in store. I'm kind of old-fashioned like that. Unless it's Tommy Hilfiger, I already know my size, my fit, my everything with that brand. But fashion-wise, guys, I'm not much of an online shopper. So luckily, COFANDY reached out to me to check out some of their stuff, and I am totally pumped because their selection on their shop on Amazon is kind of amazing. They have very random stuff, but also it looks like luxurious in a way, but at affordable prices. Again, I'm link all their information down below. This video is not sponsored, nor am I an affiliate of COFANDY. They were just kind enough to reach out to me to check out some of their stuff. So let's kick off this haul here, guys. We're gonna make this fun and as interesting as possible and honest, of course. So this is the packaging, by the way, just basic packaging. And in here, looks like we got, this is a shirt. So it says 𝗧𝗍𝗲𝗏. This is also one of the brands that is featured on COFANDY shop on Amazon. So don't be confused if there's different brand names throughout this, because COFANDY houses plenty of different stuff with other names. So that's kind of how shops on Amazon work for the most part, what I've experienced. So I believe we have a shirt in here, and it is super freaking soft. Oh my goodness. I'm absolutely in love with this color. This is like a chocolate brown. Oh my God. Oh, so this is not a shirt. This is a nightgown, a men's nightgown. You guys, I work from home. I'm always at home. I've been a homebody this past year and a half. So this is gonna be amazing just to comfortably wear. It's definitely a breathable material, and it's super freaking soft. This is, I don't know what fabric you wanna call this. It doesn't say here anywhere, but it is extremely soft. This is gonna be super comfortable to wear. I like the color. The stitching looks great. I've never owned a nightgown personally. I like robes. So this is my first men's nightgown. Nightgown, period. All I have to say is if it's comfortable, if it's cozy, it's for me. And this is a lounge wear item. So obviously you're not gonna leave the house rocking something like this. I mean, you probably can. You might get a little, few looks here and there, but this is just primarily for lounging around the house. I know they have a lot of options for loungewear for men, which is pretty sick. And a lot of them are nightgowns. I didn't know that was a thing, unless it's newly a thing for men, but hey, I mean, it gets pretty cold here in Pennsylvania, so this will probably keep me pretty warm. Moving on to the next item, guys. I know we started this off with kind of a bang, a men's nightgown. I wasn't expecting that. I'm pretty sure you weren't as well, so let's keep it moving. Next up, we have, looks like this is a sweater. Okay, so there we have the COFANDY packaging right there, and this is this charcoal gray. Oh no, this is a green. This is a green sweater. Oh my goodness. I could kind of see the color a little bit through the bag, but I'm not colorblind. I'm not colorblind, I promise. Wow. Okay, this is very sick. And it has a nautical rope, it looks like. That nightgown, by the way, was a size medium, in case you were wondering. I'm about 5'11" on a good day. And that's my average size. And I'd say my body type is pretty average, a little slim. So in case you want to compare how things are fitting me versus how it would fit you, keep that in mind. But here we have this oh, it's a turtleneck. You guys, oh my goodness. I'm a sucker for a good turtleneck. I have a long neck, so you want to know what? You got to keep that thing wrapped up. And this will definitely do the job. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love this shade of green. This is kind of not a hunter, but not an emerald green. And I like the sailor knots going right down the middle. This is a classic print. Also, these sleeves, you see that? The sleeves are pretty sick. They have the same type of style as the front, but it's not all the way around it. It's only on the very side. So that's pretty sick. These are tags as well, in case you are wondering like what they look like. This is the COOFANDY tag. This is the other side. But yeah, it's very simple. We appreciate that. Moving on to the next bag here. And let's get into it. There's two things in this. Okay, so we have, looks like these are going to be shorts. And I'm already loving that color. I'm not gonna assume that until I take it out of the bag, because obviously I'm not good at that. And I think this is this is workout attire, guys. I could always use new workout gear. For me, I basically live at the gym half time. Oh, these are nice. Are you kidding me? Okay, so this size is everything. I love like mesh shorts, but I don't like when they're too like the basketball style shorts. I don't like when they're too long and baggy. You know, they get in the way. They're not cute. They're not trendy. These, on the other hand, I freaking love these. I'm loving the color. They feel like amazing quality, and the drawstrings like match the embroidery of the black as well. And these kind of look retro in a way with the fit, but I'm living. There actually was another one in the bag as well. This just looked a solid black. Same type of fit, just black. And black and gray are like my go-to when it comes to like my workout attire. Whatever t-shirt you throw on, whether you're wearing black or gray pants, it's going to like match. So you cannot go wrong with that. There was also, you guys, I seen these on COFANDY's shop and I was shook. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would love your company. If you are not new, then you know that I absolutely love the Y2K early 2000s era. And these, I don't know if you can tell what this is. No, this is not a like burrito wrapped up in, you know, tin foil. These are pants. Holy crap. I'm in love. Oh my, sticking together. I don't know what the heck's up with that, but oh my goodness. These are so freaking sick. Do these not scream like Y2K, like No Scrubs music video, TLC, or just, you know, any other pop artist from the that time? I freaking love these. Holy crap, these are beautiful. It's a weird material. I'm not sure what these are made out of. Again, there is no like description tag on the articles of clothing, but these are super lightweight. So I mean, this is not something that's going to keep you warm, but it's a trendy piece, of course. Like this is, I honestly don't even know where the heck I'm going to wear these, but I'm going to wear these and I'm going to wear them well. I'm going to put together an entire look just based around these pants right here, but this is amazing. This is the back, by the way, in case you're wondering what that looks like. This is insane. I don't think that I've ever owned a pair of pants like this, except for when I was a kid. Like, do you remember swish pants, like those swishy style pants? I've had a lot of those like Adidas pants. And there was some metallic ones that I would rock, but I was a child, now I was an adult. Like, this is sick. We're almost done. We have one more bag right here, the biggest bag we saved for last. So let's open this thing up and see what is in here. I'm pleasantly surprised so far, guys. Everything that I've unboxed from COFANDY is kind of amazing. I mean, no complaints at all as of yet. Everything is beyond expectations. So this looks like a hoodie, and you can never go wrong with a hoodie, guys. Oh wow, that feels amazing. Quality, the quality does not disappoint. COFANDY, like, you're killing it. This is a thin hoodie. Oh, it's a tracksuit. Oh, not a velour one, but it feels like cotton. I would say just like a cotton cozy tracksuit. So this is gray. This is the top. Oh, we have a moment going on the sleeves. There's white going down. Very cool. We love that. I'm also liking the drawstrings on the hoodie. This is thin, so I feel like this could be something that I would honestly not mind working out in. I get hot super easily, but this is pretty sick. This is a size medium, by the way, and the pants, I'm hoping they're small because I have a size like 30 waist. Pants are a medium, so if they look a little baggy on me, That's why, because I'm typically a small when it comes to pants. I have no behind. For being as tall as I am, I'm a little lanky, so these are gonna be quite baggy on me. But again, I mean, if you like that look, go for it. These are just really sick. I like how it's cozy. It's definitely a breathable material for a cotton, so I like that. And yeah, these are pretty cool. Feels like there's one more thing in here, and there is. Looks like this is another sweater, and I'm not gonna judge the color, but it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful one. This is sick. The first one I'm extremely excited to wear, minus a whole like having to be in sweater season, but oh my goodness. I think this is like a navy. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is different than the previous sweater. This is also a turtleneck though. And it looks like there's just like the knots all the way around everywhere, like the little, I think we'd call these sailor knots. I freaking love this. What size are we? This is a size large. Okay, I like to be large in my tops. Sometimes I'm a medium, if you know, depending on the fit. But this is beautiful. I love this color. Everything that I'm touching from COFANDY is like super soft, and I'm all about like comfort. So that this is gonna feel great on the skin, and I'm super excited to give that a go. But you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me during this COFANDY experience. I'm beyond thrilled with everything I'm adding to my wardrobe. COFANDY is underrated, and I feel like a lot more people need to know about them. I'm all about like being sustainable when it comes to fashion, so I feel like a lot of this stuff is timeless. So with that being said, I can see this stuff lasting a very long time within, you know, style. So we always appreciate that. COFANDY, I will link all their information in the description down below if you want to check them out. Again, I'm not sponsored nor an affiliate. They were just kind enough to send these items my way and give a true, honest, organic review and experience. And that's what I served for today. If you do like fashion, wellness, skincare, Tommy Hilfiger, please follow my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would love your company. I talk about all those things on here. I post weekly, so click the bell to stay notified, of course. My personal Instagram is right here at 𝗧𝗏 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.